Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the red button below to subscribe and hitting the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Today we'll be using a laptop to create our art. This video is a video on how to create a 3D logo for your business or company. We'll be using 3 websites for today's 3D logo creation. Stay with me till the end of this video to find out. I'll be using Canva to create and design my logo. So first, I'll open up the Canva website to begin. This is also available on the app, so if you don't want to use the website, you can use the app. On the website, the first thing you do is to sign up. So just click the sign up button and fill in your details. If you already have an account with Canva, all you have to do is just log in to the website and begin. So just tap this login right here to put or fill in your login details. Now we'll proceed to designing our logo. So I'll type logo here and search. Before creating a logo, you should already have a way you would want it to look, or you should have a brand. Today I'll be designing a logo for a gym. Then this web page will open up. Right here there are already design templates you can choose and alter to fit your preferred logo design. We have the ones for hospitals, doctors, churches, events, badges, gaming, fashion, computers, sports and education, etc. But today I'll be designing my logo from scratch. If you don't want to design from scratch, you could just pick one of these templates and use them to design your logo. You can just come here and search the kind of template you want. For my logo, I'll go to Elements here. This is my blank page. To choose a background for my page here, I'll go to the color box here to choose. I'll be choosing the ash color, so just click it. When you open the Elements tab, this page will show. So right here on the search, I'll type gym because I'm making a logo for a gym. I like this one, so I'll pick it. If you go further down, you would see other wonderful ones to pick from. So I'll click this one. It will appear on my page right here, see? Now here, I can leave it this way, or I can make some changes like the size and the position. So now to change the size, just click here and hold, then drag. To position it, go to position written here and click it. See, it's at the center. Now to change the color, I'll come to the box here, so I'll choose the violet. If you see, my logo color changed. Now I want to add text to write the name of my company, so I'll go to text over here. This tab will open up and you'll see add a heading, add a subheading. I'll choose add a heading. Then I'll type in the name of my company. The name of my company is going to be Keep Fit Gym. Next, to add my slogan, I'll use add a subheading. Here I'll type turn fat into fit as my slogan. If you're done with that, just click the name of the company now to change the position. I want mine to also be at the center. Remember, yours can be anywhere you want it to be. I'll do the same for my slogan. Now to change my font, I'll come to this place where it is written Open Sans Extra and I'll click it. When I click it, different fonts will open up and I can click the one I want. So I choose this one, and if you look, it has changed from Open Sans to this one. I also want to change the font of my slogan, so I'll click on it and do the same thing I did for the other one. Now to increase the font, just come over here and click the plus or click the minus to reduce the size of the font. Finally, we are done with our logo. Isn't it beautiful, guys? The next step is to click download so we can download it out of here. We will be downloading our file as a PNG. There are other file types here if you look. We would use the PNG. Click download. Right here, it's showing to save this design for later. If we had logged in before creating our logo, it would have saved automatically. But since I didn't log in, mine wouldn't save. Right here is our downloaded logo. So now to remove the background of our logo, so we can be able to turn it into a 3D logo, we would have to go to a website called remove.bg. When it opens up, it would look like this. This website would automatically remove the harsh background we used earlier for our logo and make our logo transparent to enable us to turn it into a 3D logo. So I'll just click upload image here and this will open up. So I'll go to where my downloaded logo is and click it. Here it is. Keep fit. Open. See, our background has automatically been removed. Hence this pixel background you're seeing here. This pixel background signifies a transparent background. Then I'll click download. Right here, it's downloading. So it's done. Finally, to turn our 2D logo into a 3D logo, we'll go to another website named photopea.com. So I'll choose open from computer to get the mockup for my 3D logo that I'll be using today. Here it is, 3D logo mockup. I'll click it. Here's my mockup. It's loading. Here it is. So now to change the text or remove this text, we've got to click here. So I'll click on this layer here and turn it off. Just click this eye right here. To get my logo in, I'll go to file here and click open and place. Here's my logo. I'll click it and it will appear here. Now I'll just scale it to whatever size I need. Just hold down here and drag down to cover the canvas. Here it is. So I'll click here and I'll say save smart object. Then wait for a while. Click on 3D glass X right here. The 3D logo will appear. See guys, here is our 3D logo. Finally, it looks good, right? The final thing we'll have to do is to export it. So you click on file right here. This tab will open up. Click on export as. So I'll choose PNG. then click save. Here my quality is on 100%. You can choose any size you want. So now it has downloaded and now saved on my PC. So that's basically how to create a 3D logo. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, just give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just click the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. The links to download the mockup I used are in my description below, so just click the link and download yours to be able to practice and create your own wonderful 3D logos. This video was created for the digital artists that are interested in logos and all that. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.